gave Tammy on a little disc thing a recording of your, the typing of what you, and then kind of a rough draft of your talk, or anyway, you'll see. A little video.
Is it on? Can you hear me? Now, I'm a Rosie. Can you see me in my hat? This is the way I wore it in the shipyards, only the hair was pushed underneath. As I built those ships, I was so proud to be on those ships, I'll tell you. I was only 18 at the time I started, but boy, I was a young woman when I finished in 1945. I stayed there the whole time, building those freighters, one after the other, and I only saw one launched. And I got to tell you one special thing I did this year. I was the special honor. I was the guest of honor at the Warriors semi-final game. They sent a Rolls Royce over to my house and picked me up. They wanted to introduce me early, but we got there late because of the traffic. And I have several pictures that I'm going to give to you of this. I met all of the players. I was in the 5th row on a $10,000 seat. They're getting ready to march. Find me, and I want to give you some of those pictures. Then you can use them, okay? Signing off.
One more thing. Tell us what you've been doing lately. Tell us about the record break. Were you at the record breaking thing this year?
The what?
The record breaking.
Oh, the Rosie's Rally. Oh, yeah. No, we did terrific. I brought an awful lot of the professional women from Silicon Valley there. I had an awful lot of them. They were so proud of themselves, and they intend to come in every year because we're going to have that same rally every year.
They all got dressed up?
They bought the bandanas and the red socks, and they are going to participate. Over 100 of them. Here you go.